Thank you guys so much for having us. This next song